Hey YouTube, today I thought I may do like a quick video of like a bike check update, maybe so you can see what I've changed. So let's get into it. So with the cockpit, I guess I've changed the grips to the ODI Elite Motion grips, very comfortable. And if you know me, I always wear gloves, and with these grips, I've actually not been wearing gloves because I've found they've been very comfortable in the hand. And then moving over, I've got the Shimano XT levers. I originally had SLX, but I broke my brake lever, and then I just thought I may upgrade to the XTs. And with the calipers, they are the Shimano SLX calipers. And then with rotors, I've changed them to the Shimano XT Ice Tech rotors, same size as before, a 203 front and a 180 back, and they're very powerful and I like them. So the cassette is a Shimano SLX 11 to 46 tooth cassette, but otherwise it's the same derailleur. And I've actually changed this little piece. I think I snapped my original one, so I had to get a new one. But otherwise, same derailleur, and I have no chain because I was just riding around my yard and I just snapped for some reason. Otherwise, this bike is pretty much, or is stock. And pedals, well, the other pedals that I originally had didn't come with the bike, but I got these Shimano Saint clip-in pedals, and if you know me, I am definitely a flat pedal person. I thought I may give clipless a try, and I've tried them out for about 7 or 8 months now, and I'm actually liking them. And I actually got inspired from that Blake Sampson video of when he tried clipless pedals. So I guess that is it, and I'll see you in the next video.